So Lucky Yatra has had an excellent Can Yatra, and this is very very historic as well because this is FCB India's first ever Grand Prix. That's Team FCB. So Dheeraj, was this a personal ambition to get FCB something which has never been achieved before?
I think it's both team ambition and team victory because we do this together. Right, the whole agencies come together, the team has come together to bring home not just a Grand Prix but also 2 golds today, and a silver and a bronze. So this is absolutely amazing. It's an idea for a public transit system which is getting changed with creativity and restores faith in the idea of creativity in today's world. So really excited, very happy about this.
What does the team want to say about this?
It just shows the power of hunger, power of ambition. I think we've been at this idea for over 18 months. When we first had the idea, there were so many doubts on how will we push this through in an organization as large as Indian Railways. But just the hunger, just the belief, just the ambition, I think keep the fire burning and, it just shows what we can do. Rakesh said what this line means is courage. And it's courage, hunger, ambition, everything. I think that's how we make it happen.
Rakesh, for you from FCB, the first lion that you got as a gold, I think, to this, what is the journey really like?
No, I think it's been incredible and the journey is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And funnily enough, the journey has just started, right? And I think this is the power of the collective. This is the power of all of us together. It is all of us, many people, but still one, right? And everybody's played a role in this. So it's amazing. It feels great. And you said that this is something that has never been done before in FCB. You were right about it. But it's also the beginning of something being done again and again.
So basically guys, Impact का cover story, cover page मिल गया, Can Lion का Grand Prix मिल गया. What next?
I think for us, of course, we want to win Can, but it's about building an agency, which we are all very proud of, building a team which likes to work together, has fun, and that energy shows. For me, that's the most proud thing.
Thank you so much guys. May you keep winning. I think you have more shortlists, about 8 of them. So I hope to meet you guys again on this red carpet, hopefully with that titanium.